On December 1st, 1913, no one was expecting the worst snowstorm in Denver's history. Over the next 5 days, the blizzard would dump 45.5 inches of snow on the Front Range. By December 3rd, there was about 8 inches down, but by the end of the 4th, the entire streetcar system was stopped with more than 20 inches of snow. Hundreds of downtown workers were stuck, and every available hotel soon filled up. Denver's other utilities like phone, electrical, and water were working. However, the phone system was slowed with the number of calls. City employees helped make emergency coal deliveries because coal was the primary fuel for home furnaces at that time. City agencies and hired workers were used to remove the snow. Much of the snow was dumped at Civic Center Park with roughly 6 billion cubic feet of snow. It wasn't complete until New Year's Eve, and by December 6th, the snow had stopped. Now, although it's possible, it's unlikely that Denver will experience anything like that blizzard again. Thanks for watching, and please hit that subscribe button along with the notifications so you get more of my content. Thank you.